For me, it's not a good thing. It's not your good at all, at all. You're not dead there, you're not dead there, you go move on.
Okay. God bless you. Thank you. Queen.
As for me, na abomination yati awoto awa. But why you gotta what door? Why woman go to husband house? Inside there, you go ever get your house number for inside your phone. No talk like say you go ever call am, make he assist you for anything. Na abomination be that one. E no good as a married woman. So any married woman wey dey do those kind thing, e no good because that thing e dey draw man come down, e no dey make man progress for life. Because why many people dey always dey do that thing? Because say this year na Europe, the man no put money for my head, e no use me so anything. But make dem get am for mind say e no dey make man progress for life.
God
Make
bless
dem no
you.
think say maybe na only woman or maybe na only person go die na the thing dey affect. No, man go dey struggle for life. No go reach where a mate dey reach. Na those abomination dey cause am. So any woman wey dey do those kind thing, make e not do am again, no good.
God bless you. I love this your talk, abeg. Okay. Grateful. Grateful niye. Afa. Ale.
This matter now, that kind person. I can have something I own it.
Ije.
So this kind thing, you know, good. If some women, because this kind thing, if you dey husband house, you still dey call your ex, your husband no go meet up, and his life will come dey somehow.
Yes.
So no go, because that kind man, anything we touch, no dey meet up, no matter the fasting and prayer, because the woman know what she dey do. So I maybe okay, you don't friend my past, you see they call me give money. Let me say most they do you now because before I give you the money, he will do you. Don't tell me say not do anything. He
Maybe
will
I'm not
touch
talking
you.
double tap, abeg. Continue.
Because any more you say you fair friend, you fair follow, and the man get by you owe money. Maybe you owe pass your husband because okay, because your husband not get, you can't neglect your husband, go dey meet the man back, say okay, guy me, because me you come, he go touch you, no matter how, he no fit give you for free. That be my opinion. But if people they do am, both home and abroad, make they stop am.
What?
You know, make sense.
Baby Beauty, whatever are you? Beauty.
Yeah, I dey hear you.
Oh yeah, talk now. We are gonna on a lady
Yeah.
man.
As for me, I don't fit talk yours now. Me, I still talk kind day. I say e no good. As far as say you with another day again, you just throw away eye. Just comot your mind for there. Don't be say you dey husband house, your eye go still dey outside. We are not sunny raw. So it's very bad. That one na my opinion.
No wala, we say we about we all work where oh yeah, Osas white one of Italy Ugbagbe bloodline. Oh yeah, Alain.
You know wetin we dey talk now. It's not just all about.
Wanna give me
It's not only the husband and wife.
you.
It's both boyfriend and girlfriend.
Wana ge
bless
brother
you.
na gwan. E brother na rototo. See
Hey,
what?
worry. You no say that's no dukun.
It's not only husband and wife. Say now only people when don't marry. It's both boyfriend and girlfriend. As now when una two date together, now na get right to share each other number. As una no see day again, as una they do chow for each other, as una they do chow to every contact, 20 connect una two together.
Yeah, we're Italy.
You no need to leave the number not be fancy for your telephone. And again, make I tell you, it's not just only a one. Something can happen to the man, something can happen to the woman. It's not only that. You are falling the hand of your present relationship to your ex.
Yes.
Because when you go meet your ex, say I don't know that if you borrow money, you dey tell your ex, say he pass your present relationship.
All right.
Yes. You dey tell her say no we boo other yeke. You know we see aye masoi.
Yes.
If you see be woman at this when if you see be woman and you na man, you can't go to meet your eyes. They say, be like, I don't know that you fear me with this. Now make I just call you. You they try tell that your ass say it better pass your present girlfriend when you the friend or your present wife.
Jesus.
It's just as I day now. As I just day now. No matter what I the pastor, I can't carry full. Cause they call my baby mama because say they are bro say imagine material but I made won't have who don't wanna be any better make it zoo me that me day me day ye keveri or one make it because at the time go if I don't call the corner we want your mouth na ya ge or was one maybe I'm with 40 me because I mean if he insult me if he go share the matter with people they call the only one now me brought that insult to myself. So I deserve the insult. I deserve whatsoever thing I hear. Because even if I thought, say the one when I the friend say not they try. Is for me to go back to hers, go beg S. I better carry plate, go do beggar for supermarkets. Before I do for journal for 1 week, I go see 500 euro, 600 euro. So if my hairs come meet me there, cause say my beg my when friend but my beg you go see my was say beg you me like a pass or boom me dead do I me go do I me
I swear.
And secondly, you see one thing when you see they call your hairs, I want your now 2 people I get as example. I don't care whether they did the listing. 2 people I get them as example. Yes. The first one and the first house when I fell rent for this Genova when I did. In with your husband Aisha. Yeah. If your husband come up for us, he go do video call with the former boyfriend when they France. Sometimes I go there inside room. That discussion go move me. Because I go walk on know who this woman they talk to. Because you know they do the call for inside bedroom because bedroom near outside door because you don't know when the husband they know when the husband take the come. So kitchen they far away from outside door. But the kitchen door come opposite my own door when me for rent. From them. Then what thing he do? He go carry the video call, he go come stand down for kitchen cabinet. Then he go rest the hand on top. Now video call the day so. Before, I think say my brother he always discuss with like that. Maybe he brother, because he get one brother for Nigeria. But now one day I come to hear when you there with me, you know they see all this kind of one, and I can say this one not be brother again. Brother not feel they tell his sister say when you there with me. So then he real respond to the person say, but they're not going to give me document for France now. Now I come Italy now, but you say you don't want to come back to Italy, I leave you. Now I can say this one I need to because not the only woman they do tafia. I need to do tafia for this kind of because this woman a married woman. So as I mean they are tenants. Ba ahwe bania o do mweko bana do ai babi na do aka we show boy no ro wa support ni memia ma beta wo ga book that back for before wa go ni no nega me
na do mweko ne
understand I do my story come out for inside my room. I felt do like say I go piece for bedroom from bed. I say mama you there house? Yes I did. Now if me on I won't go. I can't use that talk till waka enter kitchen where. I can't waka go to outside go do like wash hand. So that I look the video call because our government said, small time I say, this woman talking with her ass. Now I can't go inside room, I can't load my telly so that I hear everything well. One day they was not discussing about breasts, talking about breasts. This one a woman where they paid dowry for his head.
Jesus Christ. You never watch that for him.
You with your no, not good now. Bog bomber, you know, Iga we ya give o mege bogbomayo. I don't. If I use and send you message, Judy keep us put. No, me I know they do all those one. I know they talk with it. They not send me. But I'll let you. I'll let
What
listen.
video? Who are video as an evidence?
record
Whatever.
No. Me I know they do all those one. Those one at Tafia. Those one are Yama. Then that woman on pass. One day we dey talk. I did Germany. We dey talk for TikTok like this. Now midday life. I dey talk for TikTok. Now one Igbo woman. He sent friend request. Now just similar thing like this. We can't dey talk. He said. Now similar thing like we call the talk say see go make S and S see they communicate. Now we just they talk. Maybe I don't know. Maybe people when as I they talk now maybe people when they my live video that they fit come up because the day I went alive because that day I was having about 100.
My call drop you. My call I drop you.
So now the woman just come up. As the woman come up,
Oh,
he greet
that
all of
woman
them.
be funny, man.
Okay.
He greet everybody. By UK, the woman saying the UK. He greet everybody. The worst part, he come on camera me with the scene. He say mo scene. He even carry camera, show us. Your husband did the same parlor with him. Those are stupid men. I mean that they pursue them come up for us for the UK.
No, come again. Man, that's not done. No, now come again.
So midday live video. Now this kind of discussion, this kind of topic when this get asked. Now we come they talk about it go make S and S see they communicate. Now we they talk so people come they say no good. Now the woman take send friend request. Now me get the live video. Now I pick the woman up. So as I pick her, I can say he won't contribute. Before he start, he want me talk for camera. I put the phone for camera. Then he come turn the phone say what he want us so see yours my cousin shake hand give us like this. How come one of our colleagues because he said maybe won't tell us saying a bad thing no. He said the house where he did so that he has help me find the house.
And the husband did palo.
The husband they listen, he never finish. He said when they pursue your husband for work, now he he cause me help your husband find new work.
MC, are you there?
Then
Hey.
he said sometimes he has the call and say make him prepare food. Say go prepare food, he go come carry for dance step.
On a lady baby mother. MC, you did there? MC on mute.
I don't know. I say emoji of
The woman was just naming something. The woman just say talk smart. I can say now me I can't talk say but I don't believe you. I can't tell the woman I can't say I not believe you. He says since I don't believe I may we listen to your husband and I give phone to your husband. Now your husband say my wife is not lying. I say Jesus, we are not dating.
Black soup.
Yeah, what the ye Kevin and Kiegui?
How can you tell me? Can you tell me? When I come the friend house, my house come find the house. And no, me I not call the talk shop. The woman now we come ask the woman say, you with your hair, you with this your hair so. Una not as una know the see for like private place like una not the see without your husband no did you?
No.
He said why not? He said sometimes in the drive they come house from work, he go see hairs for bus stop, he go drive, carry on with the motor, fair go drop his hairs for his side, he go drive come house. Now I said, this one, now your husband know about this one. He said, yes, if he reach, I go tell him, say, he go drop this guy today. Who come? I say, so now I say, madam, now we now fit talk to you because this topic now don't shift to your side. He said, yeah, we fit talk. I said, madam, you know what? For your own mind, me won't ask you this question directly. If to say that your husband, they do all this thing, and you know, say, this woman, when your husband, they follow, or when they carry your husband, or when they cook, can't give your husband cooler for downstairs. Say, a person where your husband don't do vaga, where? Will your mind regret or will you be happy? He can't quiet smart and he say, yeah, he said because he with your husband trust themselves. And I say, madam, no, we are not talking of trust here. Nobody know they trust each other. We are not talking of trust here. We are just talking of if now waiting you go accept. Because me and you know say majority of women not go agree at all. They not go take on. I said, madam, you are doing. Now we tell her, say, madam, you are doing a wrong thing. Even if I thought, say, he said, with yes, just like as soon thought just now, he said with yes, don't leave each other with that kind. If first of all said they don't leave each other with big quarrel. Small time, now me cut us here. You don't get a relationship where they not they leave each other happiness. Now something they happen make them. He said yes, he said, but their own was they go do test. They be one marry. They go do test. They can't discover say they be the same blood. Now they tell separate. Now say now be something that make una separate. Now something must happen. So that's now separate. Now you move on. I said, but that your ass, you not get woman. I say get fiancé. I said, then how do you feel? Do you? I can put on to you say you know how many times your matter could not cause quarrel and argument between with his it does with the fiancé when he know if he can't tell you. And you now say your husband understand you. You with your husband they enjoy now. You think say in with the fiancé they go they enjoy their home because the fiancé not fit get the kind mad when with your husband get. Like
Wahala.
you might come quiet. You not talk. They say you not go like me. Oh, if I talk if you don't follow me because you say you don't tell me they follow me. But I'm just telling you the truth. I say, Oga, you talk, put now make I want to talk to you, not verse if I insult you. And I say, Oga, you they build your home, they destroy another person's home. Oga. He said, no, he said it's not she's not the one that I said, no, I didn't say you. But you they are aware of all this whole thing. As a man, you will be the one to put a stop to it. You will be the one to tell your wife, honey, I trust you, but I don't want this to happen because I may be happy with you on it, but why buy your ex fiancé? I don't want somebody to come out tomorrow and say, and now my wife can't go spoil he has or he has a marriage or wife to be or whatever. You as the man, you will be the one to put stop. But when you allow that thing, you allow your own wife cook, go give her schooler for that step. You don't say your right as a man. The day when he go insult you, you can't come and come and tell us, say, why will a woman insult her husband? When you already say your right, you don't give her upper hand. He's not the one controlling you, not you controlling him. Your wife will see you're the same wife you marry with your hand goddamn money. He will call Richard, come tell you. Say, honey, do you know what? When I was coming back from the work, I saw my ex was just standing at the bus stop. I said, okay, let me help her. I drive her, I drop her at home. Did I fix camera for your boy to know, say you climb step? You sit down for a parlor? If not late, just it come down? Or do you know, say, some hairs day? Since now play on a television, is also have a right to carry hand cross your neck because now play on a television. There is some talk one because not be back car incident and front car incident you they drive. There is some talk one they talk go look funny. You go say knock you for leg or shoulder.
I don't understand this comment section. This bro say they make me they laugh. Really?
He go say knock you. He go say knock you for leg or shoulder.
Like you come and talk this one me they talk.
As play. Because why? You see give her the right to talk to you, to do you anything when you want to do. And one day, as you they call her and say you need help. Now so you go see call you one day say, he still need help because conjoin don't gather. And one day, because I know say normally, when you with your ex get a better, when I see get a good rapport. If you come across that your ex, for secret place, too touch, you go fall down for you.
Yeah, I don't know wiki point.
Why? Una communication was it going on fine? Like that closeness for heart, for talk, you see dead there. But okay. If you got there, so you not get that communication closeness and all. If you not come across each other for place when people know if you touch you, you can have the right to tell us stop. You feel control yourself, if you resist yourself, because why? The communication don't go far. I know they communicate again, I know they talk again, no closeness again. All this, I just leave my ass, not by case if I need something. Now let your hands get that thing for this world. Now let your hands. If you not see, get down.
Sadion, you are Osidion, you are spoken well because everything you talk so he enter my head and me at the this one I go cut this part come out me I put my status. Kia ayi moto ya mama ri wana egbe weme. MC we have go na yan yi moto mama you why. MC
This one especially.
you too much.
You know, say this S matter, you make many of us fail exam for school for mathematics. When teacher go ask us say if A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 2, find S. Many of us find S for mathematics, we not see them.
I swear.
So even the S, see the cause quarrel right now. Any man, any woman, when they keep a S, I don't know why they keep on. You are married, according to your question. You're doing 2 serious relationship. You say they keep your S number. You they keep on for reserve, I'll be waiting. Because I don't see when so go cut us say I just call my S like what they advise me for waiting my guy, they do waiting my husband, they do me. Your hair is too good now become S.
Jesus.
Your hair is too nice, now you not to leave each other. You just wanna go do blood test on two na AA na SS. If you not love na say wanna continue. When I not use this on a S matter to destroy relationship when person gets. According to one when the sergeant talk just now, say that man, bro, that man not love that woman.
I swear.
Fear men when quiet. When they leave women, make they do what they want to do. If those men are late, now if they respond, now problem.
You are right.
You said?
I said you are right.
There is no responsible man go the wife will tell and say my ex call me, I can't go cook even for step, I can't see my ex for road, I can't carry and go drop am, I can't go do this one. Mama mia, okay, this shit. This thing what we talk about. So you know when ordinary, when you to a woman, when you love the waka, maybe on a day party, boy can't follow it, can't follow the dance, come by mistake you wall yourself. There is something when they come up for your body. Talk like you can't say your ex. My woman can't carry my S, can't carry her S for motor go drop. You can't cook food. When I give her money or food when she will work self, can't take cook. Go give the S for step. That man is not in love with that woman. That is 100%. That man is keeping quiet now. 2 things. Is that the woman don't put her for one native pot for your Korean, or the man just define what he define for there. When he get what he get finished, he go come out.
And my wife village can't see
and all those things. Now the man wanted day against the woman when that time don't reach. Fear men when quiet. Also fear women when quiet. When they leave you, you do it in your mind. If they respond, if they retaliate, it go pass to noble redeem. So for you as a woman, you are keeping the number of your S. You as a man, you keep the number of your S. What do you if the S is too good, that S too good, why on a fair leave each other? You will come out, come me say now your S, you come call say, I beg, I dey short of money, help me send small thing. Then the other customer, you can't see me, you can't give you the money. Somebody don't feel touch and just now. Touch your body there. They go say how you come be. Say when I leave you, your yash not come out again, go knock her for yash. I bet leave me, John. I say you they do that time. They go say how it be, see your breast, you go touch her for breast. Because we have had the touch before. The woman don't bring herself that low for her to call the man say I need financial support for you. You don't already bring the man down. You don't bring your relationship down. So the man get every right to do anything he want to do with you. And that place no dey read meter. You feel rich as enter bedroom, watch body come back. The innocent idiots go see enter inside again. Then the woman go say it's sharp. You're not sharp, you are just fooling yourself. How many times do they hear say men they get body count? Now women they get body count. You don't say I tell you say I don't date 20 girls today. It be like pride to me. But as a woman, you cannot stand up and tell me you have dated. And see. Right on. Okay. You cannot say you have dated 5 boys to your old man. But me, if you open mouth, tell my woman say I don't date like 20 girls. But my woman don't date 20 boys.
Me, I tell my woman, yeah.
Yes, man fit talk, but your woman not fit tell you how many people you don't date.
You not trying.
You not trying.
Igbogoyo.
So as a woman, if you know say you get a self-respect for yourself, there are some certain things you don't even need to do. If your ex is your ex, let he or she go. As they go now, so they delete number. Do they block her for everywhere you want block her? And as they block her, making they block you too. If not, this two say for each other. Hey, madam, I agree to do. If you call you by your name, class, I beg you, my name and mama outside. Make it know so you really serious, so you move on. Come now, we'll talk now. You they see me, you they run to my that's not be so. If you value me in the first place, you will not even let me go, no matter how the quarrel is. So why am I keeping your number? To do what now? You're not even part of my life again. You are not my friend. You are not my brother. You are not my relative. As far as you are my ex, you are my past.
Okay, MC, God bless you. Now, ma, you bear your day, your head. Last born, you don't understand the word now. Sadio Menoyeta, me amok bari. Oviye, bloodline, river.
Oh,
True, man. Okay, last born. You get you want to talk. Anybody get them want to put again? Make them on mute. Okay, we remain silent. Cut.
Cut arise.
Okay, I bet when I know this, you get one matter me reach my hand. There's one of my guy made the Euro side. So you see this girl online for TikTok, they chat to the girl. The guy go Nigeria, I want to go marry the girl now. He reach house, want to marry the girl. They call me, they can go share card of the wedding. This guy now can go meet one of his schoolmates when they go school before. As he reach the guy parlor, he want give him a card. The woman may want marry with the guy picture, they frame for parlor. You don't understand? We understand there.
Yeah, I understand.
We understand you. We understand you.
Okay. This guy now want go invite his schoolmates. As he reach his schoolmate's house, the wife do make up money for his head. He can't see the woman with his schoolmate picture, the frame her for parlor. The girl sit down for a lap. He kiss him. Now the guy felt pause and say, "Who be this fine girl?" He said, "Nah, my woman, I don't even do introduction for your head though." He asked and say, "Family, the papa no?" He say yes. So I beg, who to blame for this issue? And this family see accept this guy may come marry their pikin, carry go Europe. Wait, mama, wait. Who to blame for this issue? The guy say he don't know what he want to do. He don't dey Nigeria now. He don't dey say he want marry this girl. So why here?
Ana wa gbokoko wa.
O ma ti go.
Imama ti igwan o, mara o pe awe mu o ye opa won gbava at the time.
Only my go your introduction you and the family okay.
Okay, room there we bo ni ameke na mo adie we bo.
God bless you. So I want to talk put for this issue. I want to see this kind of matter now. Most start for favor. Why go now? Favor river queen. Why go now? Anybody want to send request? Favor not do this evening.
As for that one struggle. But if na me be that boy, we be want go invite person. As he does sound like that, you go kukuma withdraw your hand. You understand?
Okay.
Kukuma withdraw your hand because for where family for fee accept person wey do introduction. Now you want to accept another person wey want couple money for yet. That family na hungry family. Better remove your hand. That's why I see Risho.
Last born.
I dey always tell people say if you want to have a successful home, check your both in-laws character. You understand? I wish the parent of the girl not dey greedy. If they not be greedy he goat, therefore not accept the second guy. Yes, therefore not accept the second guy proposal or request. That is just it. They are greedy, they are hungry. So now it be my contribution.
Okay. Grateful, Riva. Grateful. Riva, Baby Beauty, Uriva, Oliver.